Today we are doing speed time graphs. We have here two graphs, both are speed time graph, and the first graph you see, with time the speed is increasing. If the speed increases with time, then what we say, the car is accelerating, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
if the acceleration is increasing with a rate which is constant, like in 1 second, look, in 1 second we have the speed 4 meter per second. Huh? In zero, speed was 0. After 1 second, the speed is 4 meter per second. Then after 2 seconds, it is 8 meter per second. After 3 seconds, it is 12 meter per second. So every second, the speed is increasing by 4 meter per second. That's why the acceleration is 4 meter per second square. And as we are getting constant rate of increase of speed, we are getting constant acceleration. If we are getting constant acceleration, then we are getting one steeper straight line. So in your copy, you also draw it, everyone. Are you drawing? You draw simply this way. This way draw. This is speed and this is time. Huh? If we are getting steeper straight line, this is constant acceleration. Constant acceleration. You write the heading as speed time graph. For today, you write the heading speed time graphs, then you draw this graph and label this graph as constant acceleration. Okay, then you draw another one, another graph you see. We have here, with time, the speed is same. You see, after at 0 second, the speed was 10. After 1 second, the speed is again 10. After 2 seconds, the speed is 10 and onwards. For all the time, the speed remains same. So we are saying it constant speed or steady speed. So you draw the graph like this. It is a speed time graph. If the curve graph is horizontal, like this, the graph is horizontal with time axis, it is parallel. Then we are having, what we are having? Hello? Constant speed. Constant speed is also called steady speed. Okay, or same speed. Are you writing, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Very good. So we have here speed time graph for this shape. We have more shape of the speed time graph. Those we are not discussing here. When you'll go to class 8, then we'll discuss all those things. Okay. Is it clear? This is constant speed. Then we are going to we are going to this one again, huh? To solve this question answers. 3, I told you to solve the speed for 5 seconds and the time for 28 meter per second. Did you do it? Hello? Did you do it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Are you done with drawing? Are you done
No,
with
sir, not
drawing,
yet.
everyone? The drawing I showed you, are you done with that? Can I rub it? Hello? Did you draw the graphs, both the graphs? All of you? Ruhi, Ruhan, Sadika, Saleha, Saraf, Pongti. Did you draw it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I can remove it, right? The drawings?
Sir, drawing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are now doing this one. Question number 3. I discussed question 3, this one. After 3 seconds, what is the speed? Also, I calculated acceleration. What was the acceleration yesterday? Can you remember? It's also written in your
Yes,
copy,
sir.
right? How much it is? What is the acceleration?
4
4
ms.
meters per second square.
4 meter per second square. So after 5 seconds, what will be the speed? Did you calculate?
Yes, sir.
So how much it is? How much you got?
20 per
20.
second.
20. So all of you got 20.
Yes, sir.
All of
Yes,
you got
sir.
20. How it is 20? Can you send in the group? You did on your copy, right? Can you send the picture in your group now? You did the working, right? Hello. Or should I show you? Hello. Question 3. Speed after 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So how to do it? We'll use the formula, right? V equals U plus AT. Check it, huh? V equals U plus AT. Then what is the value of U? U is 4 meter per second, right? Then 4 plus A is 4 also. Then T is 4. Then how much it is coming? 20. 20 meter per second. So they who couldn't do it, now you can check it, huh? 3 speed after 5 seconds, we got the speed 20 meter per second. Now, what is the time taken for being the speed 28 meter per second? So what is the answer for it? Pongti, did you find the time? Ruhi, Saleha, Sadika. Question 3, the
Yes, sir.
last one. Did you find the time?
Sir, I got 7 seconds.
Sir, 7.
Very good. Your answer is correct. So how you did that? You have the working. You have the working. What is the formula you used? This formula you can rearrange, right? For finding the time. This way. You have to do this way. 3. Time for the speed to be 20 meter per second. So how will do it? You will rearrange the formula. You have the formula A equals V minus U by T. This formula, right? So you can rearrange this formula, making time is the subject. Time equals V minus U by A. So you are getting the values from the table. Your final speed is given 28. 28, then minus your initial speed is 4, then divided by 4. So what you are getting? The answer? Hello? The time you got here, hello? Hello? Hello students? Are you getting the solution? Hello? So here you are getting how much? 6, right? 6. The gap is
Yes,
6.
sir.
But at the beginning your time is 1 second. So 6 and 1 second. 6 plus 1 second, it will be 7 seconds. So your answer is correct. Who said 7 seconds? It is correct. Is it clear now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So you did this way or you did another way? If you are taking this one as 0, it will come directly 7. Like initial
Yes, sir.
velocity, if you are taking
Sir,
0,
sir,
it
I
will,
took the 0.
yeah, if you are taking initial velocity 0, then it will directly come 0, directly come 7. But
7.
if you are
Yes,
taking
sir.
the initial velocity 4, then you have to add here 1 second, okay? Because at the beginning it was 1 second. So 6 plus 1, it is 7 seconds. Is it clear now? Hello? Hello? You keep
Yes,
your
sir.
audio on. You keep your audio
Yes,
on,
sir.
everyone. Now, question 4. What is the answer of question 4?
Sir, has a steady speed.
Acceleration.
Steady acceleration of 3 meter per second square, right?
Yes, sir.
So, how you understand it is acceleration?
Sir, because its unit is in meter per second square.
Excellent, excellent. So, the answer for question A, it will be acceleration, right? Then next,
Yes, sir.
this
Every
means,
second its pace increases by 3 meter per second.
so your first gap will give you acceleration, right?
Yes, sir.
Then next gap, this means that
Second.
every seconds, every second,
Yes,
every
sir.
second its velocity
Speed.
or speed, whatever you say, no problem. If you say velocity, it is correct. If someone is saying speed, it is also correct. Both are correct. Okay.
Velocity and
Velocity
speed the
is,
same.
yeah, velocity, speed, both you can accept, right? But velocity is more appropriate because it is vector quantity. Now, velocity its velocity increases by how much?
3 meter per second.
Yeah, 3 meter per second. Very good. 3 meter per second. That's why we are getting the acceleration 3 meter per second square, right? This means
Yes,
that
sir.
every second its velocity increases by 3 meter per second. So they who couldn't do it, you write it, huh? We are writing the answer of question number 4. It is 4. 4 is done. Now 5. How can we do 5? Hello? Your
Yes,
normally your class is over 2:35. Can we continue
yes,
it?
sir.
Can we continue it till the last 40 minutes until our class is like Zoom class is 40 minutes, okay? Uh, Still we
Yes,
have
sir.
some time. Can we continue it, the class?
सर 5 मिनिट कम करें पहले.
Sorry?
Not possible for me.
Let's continue a little bit, huh? At least we finish this, huh? As much as possible. Questions. Question 5. Can you read, Pongti? Pongti, can you read question 5?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Adit.
Yes, sir. I didn't hear you.
Yeah, can you please read question 5?
Sir, ख्याल कोई नहीं
An
थे
aircraft
मुझे
on its takeoff run has a steady acceleration of 3 meters per second square.
count.
A. How much velocity does it gain in 10 seconds? B. If the aircraft has a velocity of 20 meters per second as it passes a post, what is its velocity 10 seconds later?
Okay, very good. So,
Class.
so we have acceleration here 3 meter per second square, right? And
Yes,
we are
sir.
given the time,
10
we are given
seconds.
the 10 seconds. And they said the aircraft takes off, right? Okay, it takes off. That means its initial velocity is
0.
0. So 5A is similar to 3, right?
Yes, sir.
5A is similar to 3.
Sir,
How it
the
is
answer
similar?
for A is 30 meter per second.
Yeah, so we can do it easily. It's very simple. We will use the formula V equals U plus AT, right?
U plus 50. Yes, sir.
So why we are writing U equals 0? Because it is taking off. Initial velocity is 0, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
thing we have to be clear. So we are here writing 5A. Everyone write. Who did not write before, you write it now. V equals U plus AT. So U is 0 because it is taking off. Then A is given 3. Then time is given 10 seconds,
10.
right? So our final velocity is, or its velocity gain is how much? 30.
30 meter per second.
30 meter per second. Look, it's very easy. Then B, 5B. How can we do 5B?
Sir, V equals to U plus 80.
V equals U plus 80. So we are going to find
Equal to 20 plus 3
velocity,
into 10.
yeah, velocity after 10 seconds, right? Initial velocity is
Yes, sir.
here now 20 meter per second. So again V equals U plus 80. So write everyone, V equals U plus 80. Then it is now 20. Then
Yes, sir.
plus 3 times after 10 seconds, right? So what is the answer? 50.
50 meter per second.
50 meter per second. So we are done with question 5 also,
Sir,
right?
sir, sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Adit.
Sir,
You write. We did question 4 here. You see at the top it's written question 4. What should be written in the gap? You see
okay,
the first
okay.
gap, after comma we are having second gap, after comma we are having third gap.
Sir, সময়
Third,
লাগবে না।
yeah, third gap we can write velocity or speed, then increases by 3 meter per second. Okay, then question 5 also will
স্যার
be
আবার
5
একটু
will be.
কোয়েশ্চেন গুলো বুঝিয়ে দিত মানে কি বলবো
Yeah, this one, a motorcycle has a steady
না স্যার স্যার 5
5a. Look, we are given here the acceleration a 3 meter per second square, right?
ইয়েস স্যার
And the aircraft is taking off. So if it is taking off, that means it was stationary before, right?
ইয়েস স্যার
If it is stationary, then its initial velocity is 0. Then they are asking you what is the final velocity after 10 seconds. So we wrote the formula: final velocity v equals u plus at. Then initial velocity is 0. Then acceleration is 3. Time taken is 10 seconds. If you calculate, it's coming 30 meter per second. Is it clear now, Adit?
ওকে স্যার
Then 5b, in 5b they told us it has velocity 20 meter per second. That means initial velocity is 20 meter per second. Then after 10 second, what will be the velocity? So initial velocity is 20, acceleration is already given 3. Then then after 10 seconds, that means 3 multiplied by 10. So it will be 50 meter per second. Is it clear now, Adit? Hello? Adit, is it clear? Hello, Adit. Adit, is it clear now? Hello. Then 6. Saleha, can you read 6?
A
Saleha?
motorcycle,
Hmm.
a motorcycle takes 8 seconds to increase its velocity from 10 meter per second to 30 meter per second. What is its average acceleration?
So what you got your acceleration? Did you calculate it?
No, sir.
So what is the answer?
2.5 meter per second.
Okay, we are checking it. Huh? Our final velocity is 30, right? 30. Then initial velocity is 10.
10.
And time taken 8 seconds. So what is the answer coming? Take. Adit, Rohan, take. 30 minus 10 is
2.5.
20. 20 by 8. 20
by 8
by
equals to 2.6
2.5. And the unit is
meter per second square.
meter per second square. So we are done with question 6. Then 7. 7.
A rally driver
7. Yeah, continue.
A rally driver has 5 seconds to stop her car, which is traveling at a speed of 20 meters per second. What is her average retardation?
So average retardation, we will use the same formula, right? What is
Yes,
the
sir.
Yes,
formula?
sir.
What is the formula?
Sir, A
V
is equal
minus
to V minus U by T.
So V minus U by T. So what is our V here? Huh?
Sir, 20.
20 is 20 is our initial, right? Which is traveling at a speed of 20 meter per second, and a rally driver has 5 seconds to stop her car. That means she is stopping the car, then her final speed will be 0, right? At last, the speed is, here you write the information. Before writing the formula, you write as she stops the car after 5 seconds, 5 seconds, her final speed is, or final, yeah, they are writing here speed, we are also writing here. Final speed is 0 meter per second, okay? 0 meter per second. Meter per second. Got it, everyone? Why we are writing final speed 0 meter per second? Is it clear
Yes,
to
sir.
you? So our
Yes, sir.
final speed is 0. Then initial speed is given how much? How much is the initial speed?
Sir, 20.
20. Very good. Very good. So 20. We write it 20. 20. Then divided by how much? Time taken 5 seconds.
5.
Then what is the answer?
Sir,
Minus
minus 4.
4 meter per second square. So as it is retardation, our answer is coming in minus. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we are done with all the questions of uh, page number 21, right? We discussed
Sir,
all the
Yes,
लिखे
questions
नहीं
in
sir.
class.
सर
Yes. Are you writing the
क्या सर
notes?
लिखे नहीं
Adit, question number
यस सर
7,
सर
write
लिखे नहीं
quickly.
सर
6 also write. 6 at the last, you write the unit here. Meter per second square. 2.5 meter per second square. Okay, because it is acceleration. So all of you are done. Once you are done, then you
Yes,
let me know.
sir.
I showed you all the calculations, right?
Sir, done.
All the calculations are done. Look,
sir.
yes,
just 7 number is to the
Sir, but
yeah.
the answer for
I did
7
not
shows
remove it. I
4
did not
meters per
remove it.
second square.
It's clear.
sir.
Yes, yes. Tell me.
Sir, sir, but the answer for number 7 shows 4 meters per second square in the book.
In
Yes, sir.
book is showing 4 meter per second square, but the answer is negative. Why? Because it is retardation. Is it clear now? Hello. Your book is showing only 4. It is fine, but we are writing the minus for understanding that it is retardation. Okay? When you will do in test, you will give minus. Because in O level, we are doing this way. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The way I showed you, you show that way. Because in O level, the answer is made this way, minus 4 meter per second square in retardation or deceleration. Is it clear now? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we are done with all the questions of page 21. Now, I want you to try this, okay? As we are done with all the theory part of motion graph, 2.02, everything. So you can try this, right? Question 1, question
Yes,
2,
sir.
you can try them. And in our next class, we will try to discuss all of them. Okay? Okay, my dear students,
Yes, sir.
this is your homework. Try question 1 and 2. If you can't manage the graph, you can try with only question 2. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Allah Hafiz. Huh? Thank you all for joining and thank you for your patience. God bless you.